Hello guys, how to be here. Welcome back to another interesting video. SSC result has been already published, and today I'll show you how you will just get your result. And for that you have to go to this website, and I will give you the website link, and there are also other websites, but I will just give you two of the most verified link so that you can just get your result instantly. And as you can see, this is one of them, and you have to just put your SSC role and then press the submit button, and it will just redirect you in another page, and from there you will be able to, and while you will just put your role here in this website, and it will let you just total result sheet will be available, and you have to put other numbers like registration or your birthday number, or else you can't be able to just access the page. So for that you will have to just put these blanks with the correct number, and it will let you help to bring the result sheet in this website, WEB based result publication system from education board. So in this website you will have to just choose your exam type, as this is SSC, and then you will have to choose your exam, passing year, and then the board name, in which board you are in. Suppose we say in Dhaka, and your result type. If you want to check the individual result, then it will come the roles, and you can just put the roles here and also the registration number. So if you don't put the registration number, there you can be able to check the results. You must have to match with the admit card. The admit card must have the registration number as well as the roles. So there is security key also. You have to put the security key here, and you can change the security just pressing this reload button, and then you will have to press the get result. So sometimes the website was too much busy, so that the result will not appear, but by the course of time you will just be able to get the results. So I hope in this process you can be able to get your result easily. And on the other hand, we have some exciting news, like the Borishal and the Kumilla board having the highest pass rate. So the Borishal having 90.19% passing rate, and the Kumilla has 96.27% pass rate. And overall, if you just want to know the overall result is actually very much interesting. The pass rate of SSC examination is overall is 94.08%, and while the Madrasa has 93.33%, and the technical line has 88.49%. So the overall education system is very good right now. And that's all from today, guys. So hope you'll enjoy the video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button for more. Hope see you all soon, and till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.